All right, guys, so it's trailer switching day. So this is my old trailer. I'm going to clean all that up, and I'm going to get ready to sell this one, clean the tires. And this one was a good trailer. It's a Hallmark. I've had it for, 10 years, and I never had any issues whatsoever. So I'm going to be selling this one. That's where I hung the carpets. We're going to take them off of there because I have upgraded to this one back here. It's a 2024, and it's a whole lot lighter. It's all aluminum versus that one is a steel frame. Whole lot lighter, whole lot newer, so this one should last me a good while. Got a winch in it. I don't have the truck hooked up, so the light's not on, but I'll show you more of this in a little while. It's got the big get out door over there, just like this one. I wouldn't have a trailer without a get out door, so I have pulled this trailer before, and I'm telling you, it's so much lighter. You can clearly feel the difference. So I'm looking forward to it. That was Jeff's old trailer. We'll take a look at his new trailer out there in a minute. That one is nice. It's super tall, and he's got a longer door on it. Makes it easier on his. When we get out there, I'll go through that one. Here's the coupe. I just had to pull it off of this trailer. And yeah, we'll check that out. But right now, we're gonna clean this one up. We got it over in the Morton building. We got water over here, so it's easier to clean up over here than versus the barn or the shop that's over around that corner. So we're gonna clean this up in here and get ready to switch her out. So stick around. Yeah, should be pretty cool. I'm gonna sweep her out right now. All right, I'm all out of breath because I just hiked these carpets up the hill, but check out his new trailer. You can't even touch the ceiling in here. Nice boxes. Got the get out door. This removes. Same with my new one. Got a door over there. It's got the rubber mat. That's sweet. And because of the height, it's got a really long get out door. It's also got the back jacks, so now he doesn't have to carry jacks anymore, side vents. Look at the color. We'll see more of it. Another cool feature is it has this handle with a pull-out step. That's really cool. It is a nice trailer. He also moved his jack back here so it wouldn't get away, so they don't have to concern themselves with the tailgate hitting. So it's just a bunch of cool little features it has on it. But that height is amazing. Anyway, now I got to get this one cleaned up and get it ready to be sold. And I already got the coupe into the other new trailer, so we'll check that out in a minute as well. All right, so here is the 2004 24-foot Hallmark trailer. Got the big door. Toolboxes are in here. They're aftermarket. I added them, but they work great for me. Solid wood walls. That board I used because it would fit my car a little better. It was lower. My car was low, so it wouldn't open. But great trailer. Has the ceiling vent in it, as you can see here. Yeah, just a good trailer. Tires are good on it. It does have the ramp out back with that extension fold down, which makes it nice to get in a lower car. Like I said, solid walls. You got the driver's side door here. Makes it easy to get in and out. It's a good trailer. Throw a little wax on it maybe. Shine it up if you wanted. Paint the floors. Get another 100,000 miles out of this thing. Really is a good little trailer. So anyway, thanks for watching.